guess what I'm doing today? You know how, like, when you're married and you ask your husband to do things, I think it's called a honey-do list. So I've got a honey-do list that is this big, and the honey doesn't get to do it all the time, or rather he never gets to finish it. So sometimes, I have to be on his case, please do this for me, please do this for me. But then at times, I just get fed up, and then I say, I'm gonna do it myself. So today it's not a honey-do list, it's a mommy-do list. So we bought our car, we drive a Citi, and if you ever driven one, or you know about these cars, that the handles are the things that always break all the time, right? So we're always having to replace them. So ours actually came off a while back. So how I've been going into the car is you actually have to go to the other side, unlock the door from the inside, right, and then actually open it. Maybe I should demonstrate, right? The lever is actually gone, so you can't do anything once you close, and that's it. So I'm gonna go to the other side. So this is how I do it. You have to go like this. I have to open from here. I have to unlock, and then go out of the car. Then come back. It's a lot of work. So today I'm actually going to be fixing it, right? Now I've closed the door. My hand is too short, so like this, so I have to go back in. Okay, so now this video is going to be about the mommy fixing the car door because the honey wasn't doing it on time. Let's get started. So this is the door handle and the parts that go with it. Okay, so these are the things that I'm going to use. It's a star, so this is called a star screwdriver, and this is a precision flight screwdriver. It's a 2.0 by 40 millimeter. Okay, so first of all, oh yeah, I need to pry. Oh, that's why I need this thing. I can just pull it. I feel like I'm breaking it. It's okay, right? We're chucking this away. Okay, and then look at me. Okay, so we're gonna unscrew here. And then we go, oh here, right, and yeah. Oh, come on. Ugh. It's a nice sunny day. Hey, and it's out. I just have to put this thing in. Right. So and the screws. Amazing, the old one doesn't come with its own. I'm good with this. As you forgot something. It was easy, but a bit too easy. So I need to take off that screw again. Yeah. So this is nothing, and this. Okay. Guys, I'm feeling so hot. Is it working?
You tell us.
Yeah. It's working.
Take your keys and test if it's locking. Unlock. Lock and try and open.
Okay. Lock.
Try and open.
I did it. So now I just need to tighten this. So I did the same thing here. I just clip it in like so, and on the other side. Right? Okay, so that's it, guys. This is how this mommy fixed her own car handle with the help of my husband, of course. Thank you, love.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay, so yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I am feeling hot. It's a very hot day. It's winter, but it's a very hot day. But I'm actually not at home. When we had some errands in town, so we're actually in Cape Town CBD. You can see we've got a lovely view of Table Mountain, which is like the most iconic place about Cape Town. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Let me know, am I the only one who has someone just wanted to photobomb. So guys, I was saying, just let me know, guys, if you also have like how big are your honey-do lists, like if you've ever done something. I think my husband and I we're mostly like I think like we're setting our roles. He does the outside stuff. He's the one who cleans the car, and I usually do the inside. But today I was like, we switched roles, so I fixed the car, and I'm feeling so proud of myself. So yeah, let me know if you've ever done this. I think the next project is going to be changing the the tires, because I don't know how to do that, you know, which is not really, I think it's not good for a woman not to be able to do that, because sometimes you might be stranded. We have all the equipment in the boot of the car. But yeah, so anyway guys, please, if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe, please like, comment, share this video. Need all your support. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.